good morning. I have the double bun, so I'm headed to get my hair done for the music video. I mean, for the cover shoot and the music video happening in the next 2 weekends. So let's get it. I'm gonna do goddess braids, goddess knotless. It's been a while. The hair is complete. All my packages are here. All my packages are here for basically some of the stuff, most of the stuff for the photo shoot, cover shoot I have coming up for Dangerous, and some of the stuff for the music video shoot. I really wanted leather gloves. The only place that had them was like an adult shop. Bro, this is cool though. I already know exactly what this is. Just do it. I'm scared to wear them. I'm definitely nervous to wear them, but they're so beautiful. Should be all the clothes, hopefully. Wow. It's a deathly environment. Alright, this is the first look. So misguided, bro. I was nervous about leather pants, but like these are great and stretchy, and I feel like I'm doing like a haul video now. Next look. Okay, so this is the crop with these pants. Let's add the gloves. Okay, so here's the gloves. Here it is with the trench. I like it. Hey y'all, so I'm packing right now for Atlanta trip. I'm going to Atlanta so we can shoot the cover. I'm excited. I'm still technically at work. Look at my work setup currently. Working from home. So I just need to finish up a few things for work, but I wanted to make sure everything was packed first so that as soon as I was done, I could dip. Alright, I'm about to head to the airport. I'm on FaceTime with Sid. Gonna see Sydney, my sister. Let's get it. So I've arrived in the ATL with my bros in the back in the dun-dun-dun. About to go eat some Hattie B's. Apparently it's good. I'll be the judge. Oh, he's good. I put it on because of the smoke. Yeah. So I'm headed to makeup for the shoot. I'm trying to hit a Starbucks first. Then hair and makeup. Get my charger out the back first. Let's get it. I get the goal. Finally, and cook back and clean this chair. This is a really fun look. I'm excited for y'all to see the results. So we are at the official cover shoot for my single. Ooh, it's our location. Yeah, I like the lighting. Shooting with Jordan. Your name's Jordan, right? That's not just the business name. Okay. It's not Jordan? Well.
Want to look nice. You like Midtown?
That one is like.
My freaking head.
That could be, yeah, let's keep going.
Okay.
About to eat some tacos. Do they sell tacos? Okay. So I will determine if these are better than Houston tacos. Check out.